Hello everyone, so Nindo Club is yet again ready to bring to you a lovely story, and this time I'm sure you are going to keep your hands on your tummy and you're going to laugh as hell when the story is going to end. Okay, so let's start the story. The name of the story is Gudugu Thagudu. What's the name? Gudugu Thadugu. Okay, so it's a very funny name. And who's the author of the story? The author is Ashok Raja Gopalan. And who has made these beautiful drawings in the stories? Who has made? It's also done by the same Mr. Ashok Raja Gopalan. Okay, so this is an Indian author, and let's actually read this book, and we'll get to know what actually happens in this Gudugu Thadugu. Okay, fine. So let's start. So what can you see? This is the first picture in the story, and we can see a mason, and we can see a doctor, and we can see a cat, right? So let's see what the doctor is asking. So Munni was a mason. The name of the mason was Munni. He had built all the buildings in his village. So he had made so many buildings in the village which were big and small. So one morning, Dr. Sheila came to him and asked him to build a clinic for her. So Dr. Sheila ने मुन्नी को पूछा that can you make a clinic for me, Munni? So Munni just went to the site with Dr. Sheila. Munni, please break down my old shed, said Dr. Sheila. That's where I want the new clinic to be built. So Dr. Sheila said, there's an old shed of mine. Can you all see this old shed? Yes. So Dr. Sheila said, please break down this old shed first and then we can make the new clinic in place of that old shed. So Munni started thinking, such a big shed and I'm alone. How will I do it? So he said to Dr. Sheila, I can do that, Dr. Amma, said Munni. But first, I need my helpers, Anju and Sanju. He said, I need some helpers, and they live there on the hilltop, and I have to go there. I have to go up on the hill. I have to call Anju and Sanju, and then together all of us will do your work. But I cannot do it alone. It's such a big task. So Dr. Sheila said, okay, you can go. So Munni started walking up the hill. Can you see he's walking up the hill? Yes. He started walking up the hill and Munni set off to fetch his helpers. On the way, he met Bahadur the plumber. So this is the first member that Munni has met on his way, and his name is Bahadur the plumber. Okay, so Bahadur the plumber said, Munni, see, I will help you remove all the taps and pipes in that old shed. Okay, so you also take me along with you. Okay, so Munni said, wait here, Bahadur. Let me first fetch Anju and Sanju. Pehle Anju और Sanju को लाने दो, and then I will take you also along with us. You can break all the pipes and taps, and we'll break the shed, and the work will be done. So Bahadur said, okay, okay. And Munni further went up the hill. And you want to know who he met next? 1, 2, 3. Oh, this milkman. Yes. So further up the hill, Munni met Babu the milkman and his buffalo whose name was Rani. Will you help me break down Dr. Amma's shed? Babu and Rani asked Munni. No, said Babu. She's a good doctor. I won't break her shed down. See, milkman ko laga that Munni is breaking someone's shed without any cause. बिना बात के किसी का घर तोड़ रहा है. तो उसने कहा no, Dr. Amma is such a good human being. Why will I break her shed? I will not break her shed. So Munni the mason said, forget it. You and Rani take care of yourself. I'm going up the hill. If you don't want to help, nice. And then who he meets next? 1, 2, 3. Yes, he meets Mastan the carpenter. Munni met Mastan the carpenter. I will help you remove all the wood in the building. So Mastan said, okay, wait, take me also along with yourself because I will tell you to help you in removing all the wood from the building. So Munni said, okay, let me fetch Anju and Sanju, my helpers, and I will take you also along. Now, will Munni meet Anju or Sanju? Or will he again meet someone else? Let's see. 1, 2, and 3. Munni finally meets Anju and Sanju atop the hill. And we need your big and heavy hammer, said Munni. So Munni ने बोला कि जल्दी से Anju and Sanju said to Munni that we will take your big hammer and then only we all can do this task. Okay, so now what happened? The hammer was so big and heavy that Munni tripped over. Aye, careful, said Anju. Now what happened? Hammer itna heavy tha, it was so heavy that Munni tripped over the hill like this. And when Anju and Sanju said, be careful, they tried to hold the hand of Munni. But I guess it was too late. Because when Munni started tripping over and falling down the hill because of the weight of the hammer, Anju and Sanju also holded the arms of Munni and they also started to roll down the hill. Now when they were rolling down the hill, on the way, everyone started to roll down along with Munni. First Munni, then Anju, then Sanju. And what was the noise that was coming because they were rolling down the hill? Gudugu, gudugu, gudugu was the voice that was coming. Munni, Sanju, Anju came sliding down the hill and fell on Mastan the carpenter. They fell on Mastan the carpenter. So they took Mastan also along with them. And what was the voice coming now? Thadigu, thadigu, thadigu. It was like thadigu, thadigu, thadigu. Yes. And they were all dripping down. Sab niche gir rahe the ikatthe. Munni, Sanju, Anju, Mastan, they all rolled down the hill. And they met Rani, the buffalo, and the milkman Babu also on the way. And guess what? They all rolled together. They all rolled down the hill. And then they met Bahadur, the plumber, and he said, I am coming too. And they all joined the helpers. Sab ke sab ikatthe ho gaye. They joined the helpers. And what happened? Bada kala, thadigu, bada kala, thadigu. That was the voice coming because they were all getting dripped, rolled down from the hill together in a circling motion. And you know what happened in the end? They all together hit the doctor's shed with a loud thadaba buddha. They all hit the doctor's shed. And you know what happened? The doctor's shed broke in one go. Because it was so many helpers, such a big hammer, the buffalo, Babu, plumber, Mastan the carpenter, Anju, Sanju, Munni, they all together, they broke the shed into 100 pieces. Can you see? Isn't it funny? Munni just went to take the help and how funnily together they broke the shed. See, Dr. Sheila became so happy. How do you become happy? So Dr. Sheila became so happy. She paid them and gave everyone sweets to eat. Thank you, Munni and helpers, she said. You broke down my shed very fast. Now please help me build my clinic quickly too. So Dr. Sheila thought that this was the way कि उनको शेड तोड़ने के लिए यही आइडिया आया था. They actually thought of this idea to break the shed. But actually, was this the idea? No, it was not the idea. It was finally by chance that they rolled, and they all ended up breaking the shed. So how did you like the story? And please share it with Ram. And who's your favorite character? Let me know. Gudugu Thadgu by Ashok Raja Kopalan. Let me know who you love the most. Munni the Mason, or Mastan, or Ranju Sanju, or Rani the Buffalo. Anyone who loved the most. Okay? Bye for now.